Hey y'all, Fox here. Welcome back to another Shemagh tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a very secure, single-use head and face covering. This is not a COVID time face covering, by the way. This is for, holy shit, shit's about to get serious, and I need something to protect myself from the elements. And I'll explain like a proper use case scenario after tying the first round. Yep. You bastard. It's called the Ninja, by the way. Go Ninja, go Ninja, go. That was stupid. Ignore it. Ignore that. Forget I said that. All right, and that's it. This is the Ninja Wrap. Now, when I say that there's a very specific scenario that you'd want to use this in, when you're using this is, say, okay, here's the example. You're driving down Highway 50 through the wastelands of Nevada. You're halfway between Fallon and Austin. It's about a 2.5 hour drive if I remember correctly. Your truck breaks down. You have miles upon miles to walk in either direction to either get to a service phone or a rest stop. You're in the middle of the salt flats. There's almost always a heavy wind, and there's dust and debris and shit just blowing. You want to keep yourself protected from the elements, period. This is the wrap you throw on. Now, you can easily put glasses on and just, kind of form fit by tucking down here at the cheekbones. But otherwise, what I just did is something you're not going to want to do in the scenario that you would use this. So, let me show that to you again. And when I say this isn't a COVID time wrap, this is, like I said, this is when shit gets serious. So, running through, you take your default triangle, slap it up over your head and bring it to 1/3 to 1/4 on one side and bring everything down. Now, when I say 1/3 to 1/4, I'm just guesstimating. I have a pretty large head and a large neck, so my measurements may not work for you. So that's where experimentation comes in. So you take the long end, you hold that down with your arm. You take the short end, you roll it over towards you, just like the Better One wrap, over towards you. In fact, let me get that a little better over towards you. There we go. You kind of want to trap this line in if you do the pinch and tuck. This will help to form fit the eye slit more easily. Once you have this secured or to your liking, bring your beard back if you have one. Bring the rope down and around. That forms a fairly secure chin strap. At this point, make some minor adjustments. Don't get too stuck in adjustments. Just enough to make things comfortable. So from here, take the long end and just bring it across your face. Not too tight. Never pull too tight. You don't want to constrict. Bring it around and back to one, and you'll have the two ends. Take them, tie them in an overhand knot, and give a tug. As you can tell, things just tightened on my face. This is normal, don't panic. Continue the overhand, another turn in either direction. And from there, straighten everything up. Bring it to your comfort level. Kick out a little visor. And there you go. Like I said, this is extremely secure. If you do it right, you're not going to be constricted whatsoever. You can double over with a fold to bring across everything, just to have a little extra thermal protection, or even dust and debris protection. The adjustments for the eye slit are a little fiddly, but you can straighten that out and easily get it back to where you need to. As you can see, very good neck protection. The eye slit, you can make it as thin as you want. Kick out this visor, or if you like, you can pull it out completely for a bonnet. Some people do prefer to wear it this way. But that is that. That is the Ninja wrap. And look at that. I only made one lame-ass reference to Vanilla Ice. So, yeah, once again, I cannot reiterate this enough. This is not a quick tie, a quick COVID time tie. This is not something you throw on real quick to go into the Bullseye store or the Wall Market. This is, I call this a serious business wrap. So, thank you for watching. This is now the 8th take. Yeah, 8th. But anyway, thank you for watching. I hope this helps you out. This particular wrap goes out to my trucker friends who, it's more likely for them to break down in the middle of buttfuck nowhere and have to walk miles on end to the nearest service station, or even just miles to get cell phone service. So this goes out to you guys. So, and gals. So thank you for watching. And if you haven't yet, check out the rest of the playlist. I think that's over here. Subscribe, hit the bell somewhere down there. And yeah, thank you for watching. Have a great day.